Toyota Motor said global production climbed 4% from the same period a year earlier to 798,771 vehicles to mark a record for the month of August. Domestic production for the world's biggest automaker rose 22% from a year earlier, offsetting a 2% drop in overseas output and highlighting its recovery from last year's semiconductor and supply chain troubles. A malfunction that shut down all of its domestic assembly plants for a day late last month had little impact on production. Toyota posted a 321% production jump in India, where it is benefiting from tie-up with Suzuki Motor, to just over 32,000 vehicles. Reuters reported on Wednesday the automaker plans to build a third car plant in the country. It reported a 9.8% jump in global sales in August to 853,285 vehicles, also a record for the month. The production and sales figures include Toyota's Lexus luxury brand. In China, sales declined about 7%. In contrast, domestic sales soared some 46% and those in the US rose 15%. The automaker in August sold 11,880 battery electric vehicles worldwide. That brought the total number of battery EVs sold in the first 8 months of 2023 to about 65,000, almost all sold in overseas markets.